Wow, I must have chosen the most active time to come here. Oh shit, I just got bird crap on me. Talk about bad luck. I know. Yeah. Crap. Oh well, I've got to deal with it later. Well, that might be a first, actually getting pooped on while doing a walk. The risk I take for YouTube, right? Well, that's gonna stain my shirt. Maybe I could buy a new shirt from here. Right. Well, what I could do is I could probably do laundry. But anyway, let's finish this walk. Actually, probably what I want to do is wipe this bird crap off of me. So let me do that first. I'll get back to you after I do so. Oh, perfect. We got a fire hydrant here, so I can wash this stuff off. I'll get back to you. All right, well, I cleaned up myself as best as I could. The running fire hydrant helped. I put some hand sanitizer on here, got some more water, but I'm gonna have to do some laundry with that. Hopefully the stain comes out. I don't think it looks too bad though.